Okay, so thank you for joining our course, Computer Literacy Expert. We have successfully finished the course, Computer Literacy Expert, where we have learned a lot of things. I hope you enjoyed the course. You learned a lot of things, and this whatever you learned from here, it will help you in your personal and professional growth. We wish you all the best. So now it's time to take the feedback. Okay, so what is your opinion about the course? Like how you enjoyed the course? Did you learn or did you get benefit from this course?
Yeah, sir, actually, I was very much impressed with the commitment to deliver the content very effectively to the participants like me who wants to learn new things, which I know the basics, but some brush up is needed for that because there are so much to learn. So I learned so many new things which I never practiced ever. So these 3 months, I felt very much interested and very much active in a way to learn so many things. Yeah, artificial intelligence, we know, but exactly we don't know the how to use the best of artificial intelligence. That is very much impressive, and what better we can do with this AI technology, which is going rapidly. So that is very much essential. And out of with along with this, for my professional course, I learned Excel, MS Word. That will be obviously helpful to me. This is the best course which I ever took. This is the first time I am taking a online course, and I am very much satisfied with the teaching of Sir Batul sir. Despite his matlab, illness, Sir has taken due to his sickness. He has committed to deliver at any case. That is very much aspirated. I felt very much satisfied with the course which I undergone. Sure, this is the thing.
Okay, thank you, sir, for your joining and your trust with us. Trust is a very big thing. When you trust, then it will
Yes,
give you something. Okay, it is worth it. Whatever payment you have done, it is worth it.
yes, 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 sir.
Okay. Do you recommend others to join VI Tech Academy's course?
Yeah, definitely. I already
Okay.
informing them for the same, and they will
Okay.
also love to join.
Yeah, yeah, that's great. That's great. So again, thank you so much for attending this course with 100% of attendance. And so I'm very happy to teach. I mean, I'm very happy to share my knowledge with you. That's great. So I hope you will be whatever your dream is. I wish all your dreams come true, and I wish you all the best for your
Thank you, sir.
future endeavors. Thank you so
Yes,
much
thank you, sir.
for joining.